Just
now. What am I to so I just house normal. Oh no man.
Normal level.
And send yes you. I want who say Mammy Penny be almost yes or bay for my bona.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, per justice a man.
That issue is everywhere, you know.
Yeah, permanent because I broach for question to my identity anymore Black Lives Matter. Into no way they are a gym. Like to me by now because will be a bay for Sebi. Na Mammy Penny as such, I will beat me I won't no still no. Yes, I say omuntium penny phone team and canka a man or parliaments and come who abu metium. Na young coffin, especially my men I know they are the need chama mini issue or see it to me no much now, mamma personally. Mini can be boot on the back could be answer. Na yeah, we are still peeling for Nana Ba na omon solve issue no. And my that's just by the way. Shawale is in the news this time around. You know, guy is doing so much positive things. Mama say as a way the omon person meka. Banka Wale the phones in so didi atema enka trend inti adan na Wale ne Beyonce video. Beba. Na mo isha dey money say the moon say video beba. Make oni Mick Mills so Mick Mill official fan page. Omo dia to honum say official collabo. I mean this is good news for Ghana. This is not just for Shatawale. Oma yen support ye de ne kakra because our favorite artist now we should say be on no. Ni dream ne say oni Beyonce be track clip. Wahu artist bia ni Ghana be ka che me say oni Beyonce nya collabo a won pe. Mo pe. But the ne me jaye. As one person mo chem say as a Photoshop photo na msinti trailer ne video ni teaser nyina aba no what does soka Photoshop and anko your favorite artist intino one person obedi atum say pa to the world. Let's go and we're so proud of Shatawale. He's doing the most. And so we are SM fan and person over Adomano 6.3 on Facebook. Now be comment say pa. I'm on the step Beyonce when he post na say. Mon tro pa na Beyonce bisa say what is pa. Now Beyonce say a tema a workroom. So congratulations to Shawale. My brother won't say we news ni say SM for no mo medi watemu. Oh yeah. We ni say omo hwehwe membo me. But okoye the other one na omo aye na okoshu ne ehwa bo ni ade a. Nti SM for Mr. Momo ya di screen record. I'm recording we nka ho Mr. Mo. Me to asem ne so a won say Fuse ADG maybe on Instagram page on.
I have not seen it.
Any or she is to picture.
How?
Or she is Obi be some question. Her sister Sandy, is it true you are getting married to Ayiwa 05? Now you are Ayiwa we are kakra wo.
Wait. Twaso.
Ayiwa niti bomo. Obeguma wari o.
Twaso mi onko.
Hey, Ayiwa beguma wari o. Ayiwa emi nua be man, ma men clear real quick. Ochina nko. Mesra mo. Ayiwa emi nua be man. Me nua be man no. Yeah, Obi trust Eric Witz on Facebook. It's because of his behavior. He said he can do it without the media. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. So meaning Wale can so beat me without media. Into no said the iron and your own blog on a day na yes you fast stories no wiem 80 few so DJ she used to picture na yes picture now wash no obi tie choba ka say oh she yes picture one say papa yom ni twa yes fu
yeah I know that story
papa yi okọ ba bi ogbogbo ho say yes yi eno na Fuse ne say yen ko back to your tete ansana ebiem mofo ne ba beton sa de na chekere yen na hwan ni wahu
memo yakweni
Bajari asama Fuse say can efa baby me ne ya adwin because say am religion ni Christianity as achekere ye bisa no ho but Bible no kra che say hwehwe Nyankopon wanga say hwehwe asore and answer we like you the bab Baje we elder hana me here on to be in spirit and join me in prayers my brother.
I'm not in spirit.
You are in spirit. You are in spirit. Who Baje say asama Fuse say can if I be ne ya adwin I say ya too yenchie too much or say it's about time Africans a best story they have to wake up because Baje entry and slave trade time. And my foot in my church adi the book be share nsemu and no mama on son no fa gold koy no mkoyo mukrum yet so now what that's what here obi ade na twa yesu film what the number all them na sorry a wasi rosary anim na akotwa no asori okotwa no asori who ni say slavery Baje untimi ntem ko say na dem no Chebe me oba watch. Who say a slave trade kaka? Debbie Pentecost me pesa Brajery. Nedje. Only that story me dey bang na bisa TV me catch am say Brajery na. Eh sorry ni paint onu ne bechi.
And my how mo?
But
My how mo papa.
Wunya how almost chirem. But me person back refuse ODG video ni je.
I'll look for
na
it.
ochame sama sa stories because e kwan bia so ntimi nyu hu fi asem mu dala ila.
I got you.
Etu de kohwe na ochaye ndokunkum ye what I say. Okay, abusuanti ya postpone the few story yes yetimi konkon sa postpone.
Yes, yeah, the part.
Yetimi di konkon sa postpone. Etu omon kohwe na ochaye ye ndokunkum. Na kwa akasi tu celebrities na fu. Ochemu a we see so cars in the minimum home was your cry and mobile my be a mistake. We see so cars I was back on $20,000. Back on $30,000. Okay, come on 2008 as I'm not I think all the investment beer and Kane Emsenka Aswaba. And for so be any cars as celebrities moon show cars a Cassiana moon show na as a moon show off near the had not say a home here. Na obetumufo. Se mu betia on se won kan ho ba ma menye no mo obetum fo se mu betie na se mu agya sa show off na ma tokai me de to Instagram ho ma to we ma ese na enke beboa e na braja sama papai e ken odwen ho ana ne wani di ana
Me pa na.
ana na so oja konkonsa ne bom so enti ma me nkwa na me bedi me ho konkonsa ho
I'm feel.
ha bra we mo we mo
Okay, so for no see what do I no see.
Okay. Yo yet bad your tete baje bia wonya na.
Obi antete.
Be in the mood. Be in the mood. Obeje di say asama abra ne kam ne ne adwin because what's the game say most entertainers on. After several years some about back sebi number Swiss guy na. Because you operation ko say why.
So sometimes you wonder say when they were making it cannot be you know.
And all that people turn accents and other entertainers they be ask someone am be Swiss guy. Then it's you know. Even the adwuma and shada nya but we born home den. Won say shada nya ya na bontim hu ni shepe ba ya shada nya is hari ade so that. Me born to my born to oh inti no omuntie kwa efutu a oma nanka obia fammo ne ho ban especially man no say man am wo muso because music am for papa na sponsor mo mu wi anam say be to say hard work pays ni ehu source of money ni sweat ni hard work ekro na dia yiro hu ya hard work pays no be papa and sponsor wa na fanye man say girls omo ya de bebre di bie boutique bebre di bie restaurant ni ade nti wo de omo nya investments no muntie de eye bra kwa e kan na budget is we hu citizen was say commode wana what's a common?
I try to say my man, I'm telling you.
Where is he? I'm auditor. Never saw auditor.
No.
What did they?
Bongo.
And I said that was not shabby way.
And new Kuma.
And you want me, my man. Now, she was think I'm upon that.
And you bye bye.
Like I may buy and quite Mr. Sandy, my dear Kunim.
And you may want to go.
Woman, you may so bad. The Arab, he's the other way. And I'm in your overhit. Remember from me. Me give you apple. Giving up in the spirit. One chairman, watch out for another band.
Alright, so that was our sister Sandy B, a guy with a filler. Shouts going out to you, Kwame Afram. And to you, Amma Papa B. The church when you may.